The name of the set is Psychometric test. So the question is, a public limited company conducts a psychometric test for its newcomers. The 8 major qualities that the management seeks in its employees are adaptability, collaboration, dedication, flexibility, honesty, integrity, ownership, and risk taking. There are 16 questions numbered 1 to 16 in the test, and the choice of answers determines the presence or absence of the above mentioned qualities in the employee. Each question has a simple yes or no answer. The HR then strives to provide the training to the employee in the right direction. If all the answers affecting a quality are yes, then the quality is present in the employee. If even one of the answer is no, then the quality being affected are absent. As in, for example, we are looking for quality collaboration, C. Now we can see that C is present in the first 8 questions. Now, if suppose I've answered this question as yes, 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 but I've answered this as no. So basically, if I do have this collaboration quality, then I must have answered all the questions having C with a yes only. Now, since I have marked this question 5 as no, that implies that I do not possess this quality. Collaboration is not there. So basically, if you have some quality, you must answer all the questions containing that quality with a yes only. Fine. So this is the core of this question. Now let us move to questions itself. So for a certain job profile, 4 out of the 8 qualities are definitely required. And the qualities are collaboration, definitely required. Then we have flexibility, honesty, and ownership. If the candidate qualifies for the job, then out of the 16 questions, how many can have no as the answer? Now see, let us focus one by one on each of the qualities. So first quality is collaboration. So all the questions containing C must have an answer of yes only. So for the first 8 questions, the answer must have been yes because all of them have this C. Now we are done with C. Now let us check for F. All the questions having F must be answered with a yes only. तो ये सारे इनमें F दिख रहा है अपन को, right? तो F भी चेक किया हमने. Now let us check for H. So H इन दो में प्रेजेंट है, इनका भी आंसर yes ही होना चाहिए. And then we are left with O. तो O का ये रहा एक जिसमें O भी प्रेजेंट है, तो इसका भी आंसर yes होना चाहिए. So it very simply हमने सॉल्व कर दिया है. So I think question 13 is the one in which none of the 4 mentioned qualities is present. So that particular question can have no as the answer. So answer to this question is 1. Moving to next question. If the answer to one or the more even number question was no for a candidate, then for which of these quality will he she not required to undergo training? Now, for even number question, one or more of the even number questions were answered with a no. Then for which of these quality will he she not required to undergo training? इनमें से कौन सी ऐसी क्वालिटीज है जिसके लिए उनको ट्रेनिंग की नीड नहीं होगी? Now see, first is adaptability. Now adaptability is, we just need to check whether this adaptability quality is coming in any even number question or not. So we can see that adaptability is coming in various even number questions. Now he could have answered these questions with a no. So we are not sure about adaptability कि उसकी training की requirement होगी या नहीं होगी. Now let us check for ownership. Ownership again is coming in even number of questions. We can see in question number 10, question number 12, question number 14, 16. O is always present. So इसके बारे में we are not sure. हम कह नहीं सकते. Now risk taking. Now risk taking, we check for risk taking. So it is present only in odd number questions. You can check for R. R is present over here. Odd number, again odd number, again odd number, again odd number. So basically R is one of the qualities which is present in only odd number of questions. Right. So this is the quality which we are looking for. हमारा आंसर होगा रिस्क टेकिंग. नाउ अगेन लेट अस चेक फॉर इंटीग्रिटी एज वेल. इंटीग्रिटी इज आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन इवन नंबर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. यहां देखिए इंटीग्रिटी प्रेजेंट है. सो इवन नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो नो भी हो सकता था. तो वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट, बट फॉर रिस्क टेकिंग व्हिच इज एन ऑड नंबर क्वेश्चन वी कैन डेफिनेटली कमेंट, राइट? So moving to next question. If it is concluded that the employee lacks dedication, so dedication is not present, but has the quality of adaptability, honesty, and risk taking. ये 3 quality है. Then the answer given by him, her, to which of the following question was a no. Check करते हैं. Now let us take all the questions containing A, H, and R. Yes, उनका आंसर yes ही हो सकता है. Now let us focus on A. So in all these questions from question number 9 to 16, A is present. So in सबका answer was definitely yes because this quality is present, right? Now let us focus on H. So out of these questions, H is present in 3, 4, 7 and 8. So इनका answer भी yes देना पड़ा होगा definitely. Now let us check for R. Now R is present in 1 and then we have question number 5 in which R is present. Right. So now we are left with only two options, CFIO, which is question number 2, and CDIO, which is question number 6. Now he lacks determination. So out of all these questions, उसने question number 6 को भी गलत मार्क किया होगा because apart from question number 6, उन्होंने determination के लिए सारे को टिक किया है. Yes, mark the answer is yes for all the questions having determination as the quality. तो डिटर्मिनेशन क्वालिटी क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि कोई ना कोई एक क्वेश्चन डिटर्मिनेशन वाले को उन्होंने नो किया होगा. सो आउट ऑफ द 8 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ डिटर्मिनेशन ऑलरेडी हमने 7 को यस कर दिया है, तो बेसिकली इसको हमें नो करना पड़ेगा. सो नो किसका आंसर होता है? सो आंसर इज क्वेश्चन 6. डेफिनेटली क्वेश्चन 6 का आंसर नो रहा होगा. वहीं से हम कह सकते हैं कि उसमें डिटर्मिनेशन की क्वालिटी इज मिसिंग, राइट? मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. If it is concluded that an employee lacks adaptability, so adaptability is not present but has flexibility and ownership, then the presence or absence of which of the following qualities in the employee will definitely help us determine the questions for which his answer was no. Now, first of all, हमारा जो basic है इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का तरीका, उस पे फोकस करते हैं. We will take all the questions containing F and O with a yes. So all the questions containing F. So these are the questions containing F. Now containing O, so we have this 6, 8, this and this. Now we are left with 4 questions, 8 questions in fact. Out of 16, 12 हमने आंसर कर दिया. We are left with 4 questions only, and the 4 questions are question number 5, this one, question number 7, question number 13, and question number 15. Now A is not present. Now A not present, so that implies that he must have answered at least one question containing A with a no. कम से कम एक क्वेश्चन को तो उन्होंने नो में आंसर किया होगा जिसमें A आ रहा है. So how to check the options? Now the 4 options left are C, D, I, R, C, D, H, R. Then we have A, D, I, R. And the last one is A, D, H, R. Now, if we check for honesty, if honesty is present, then he must have answered these 2 questions correctly. Definitely उसने correct किया होगा. Now, as adaptability is not present, and we have till now we have marked all the questions containing A with a yes only. But हमको एक को तो wrong करना पड़ेगा because adaptability is not present. So from there we can say that उसने इसको wrong किया होगा. तो yes, हमें पता चल रहा है यहाँ से कि कौन से क्वेश्चन को उसने रॉन्ग किया होगा. इफ वी चेक फॉर ऑनेस्टी, इफ वी टेक ऑनेस्टी एज ए क्वालिटी, देन वी कैन डिटरमाइन कि हाँ, दिस इज डेफिनेटली द क्वेश्चन जो उन्होंने रॉन्ग किया होगा. रीजन बीइंग वी आर लेफ्ट विद 2 क्वेश्चंस कंटेनिंग ए. नाउ सिंस ऑनेस्टी इज प्रेजेंट, सो आउट ऑफ दीज 2 ऑप्शंस, ये वाला तो जो नीचे वाला है ये तो उनको टिक करना पड़ेगा विद यस. व्हाई? बिकॉज़ ऑनेस्टी इज प्रेजेंट. नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विद ओनली वन क्वेश्चन कंटेनिंग ए, और उसको हमको रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज अडेप्टिबिलिटी इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. नाउ आउट ऑफ 8 क्वेश्चंस कंटेनिंग अडेप्टिबिलिटी, वी हैव ऑलरेडी मार्क्ड 7 एज यस, सो रिमेनिंग 1 को नो करना पड़ेगा. सो द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑनेस्टी. अपन आगे के ऑप्शन भी चेक करते हैं जिससे आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आए. द रिस्क टेकिंग, द रिस्क टेकिंग इज प्रेजेंट इन ऑल द 4. तो रिस्क टेकिंग कैन नॉट बी आवर आंसर. तो चारों में प्रेजेंट है, तो रिस्क टेकिंग होता तो चारों को यस करना पड़ता. इफ वी चेक फॉर डेडिकेशन, देन डेडिकेशन अगेन इज प्रेजेंट इन ऑल द 4 लेफ्ट ओवर क्वेश्चंस, राइट? तो उससे भी हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते. कोलैबोरेशन इज प्रेजेंट इन 2 ओनली. देन वी विल, इफ वी टेक these 2 questions, then again we are left with 2 questions, ADIR and ADHR. Now again हमको श्योरिटी नहीं आएगी कि इन दोनों में से रॉन्ग कौन सा होगा. सो ऑनेस्टी, जैसे ही हमको पता चला ऑनेस्टी टिक होने वाला है या सोने वाला है, we will definitely tell the question number जो हमने definitely wrong answer किया होगा. Now moving to next question. Which of the following combination of qualities in an individual cannot be possible with the given test result? So absence of collaboration and flexibility. So collaboration and flexibility should be absent, and integrity and risk taking should be present. Right? तो देखिए इसको चेक करते हैं कैसे. So since I and R are present, so all the questions containing I and R must have answered with a yes. तो सबसे पहले उस पे जाते हैं. Let us check for I first of all. So we have this question, this question, this question, this question containing I. यहाँ पर ये है I and I and I. इन सबका आंसर yes गया होगा. Now let us check for R. So question 3 is having R, then question 7 is having R. Here we have R and एक और R. Now absence of collaboration and flexibility. So out of 12 questions, we have already marked how many? Out of 16, we have already marked 12. So the leftover options are C, F, H, O, C, D, no, C, D, H, O. Then we have A, F, H, O. And the last one is A, D, H, O. Now see, collaboration and flexibility must be absent. Now collaboration के लिए we have two options. हम दोनों में से कोई एक भी नो करेंगे तो भी collaboration absent रहने वाला है. The same goes for flexibility. We have two options for flexibility. कोई सा भी एक wrong करेंगे तो भी वो flexibility wrong रहने वाला है. So this quality is possible. I think ये तो possible है. Now let us check for second option. Second option check करते हैं. Adaptability and honesty must be absent, and dedication and flexibility must be present. Now D should be present, so D should be present. So इनका आंसर सबका definitely yes गया होगा क्योंकि D सब में आ रहा है. Now let us check for F. F is present in this, 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 and this, and this, and this. सारे question tick हो गए हैं. That means the candidate is having all the mentioned qualities. But that is not possible. We are looking for someone in which these two qualities must be absent. But जब हम D और F को check कर रहे हैं तो सारी qualities present आ रही हैं और this case is not possible. So the answer to this question is option second. Last question. If we know that question number 7 was answered with a no, so इसका answer no है. Then which of the following combination of qualities would not be possible in the employee? कौन सी qualities ऐसी हैं जो possible नहीं होंगी? Now this is very straightforward question. Now see, the employee has answered question number 7 is wrong. So he must not have any of these qualities. क्योंकि उनमें से wrong करते ही जैसे उन्होंने अपने 7 क्वेश्चन को wrong किया है, that implies that आप में ये qualities नहीं है. Right? आपके पास C क्वालिटी होती तो आपने सारे क्वेश्चंस having C को yes ही मार्क किया होता. So that was the core of the question. So any option containing C, D, H or R cannot be your answer. Now if we check in first option C, D, H, R are absent, so this could be the answer. Answer is in this is possible. We are looking for the option which is not possible. IFO again is possible. Ownership collaboration. Now we have C and D over here. Now this option is not possible at all. ये possible नहीं. So this was very straightforward set. बहुत easily solve हुआ. थोड़ा समझना था बस किस तरह से करना है. बाकी अप्रोच वाज वेरी इजी ओनली. आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर होगा. थैंक यू.